Hello guys, today I'm going to be unboxing the Nerf Dualstrike. I got this from the Nerf team. They sent me the gun from Nerf Perks. Oh, why is it so hot? Okay. So it shoots both Elite and Mega, which is pretty decent. That's why I brought the Mega and Elite here. They're both 6-chamber guns, and it has the Elite skin.
Yeah, but like they missed something. Put the skin and like a part of the skin of this gun.
Nah, it's better like this. They put like the plunder, like right. So let me actually move this.
Yeah, let's move.
It says. If I move it up, let's leave it like that.
Okay, so
it says fires both Elite and Mega darts for double the impact. Makes sense. And actually, I don't understand this. Elite was the first line to have like the switch up technology, and then came the modulus regulator, which has like 3 modes and another one. So it's Mega or Elite. Just make a machine gun with this. Mega and Elite. Oh, that'll be cool.
Yeah.
Not like this Dualstrike that it's 3 different attachments. So let's unbox the gun and well, let's see. What are the ranges? Has no ranges. It actually advertises like no ranges, so
let me see.
What does it say? Fire. Oh, it says the same thing as below. So,
you're missing one.
Another one over here. Let me actually open the whole thing, because there could be secrets.
Yeah.
So
like,
stop moving the thing. It's like a giant pistol, in other words. Finally, no instructions. Nerf has actually shown.
Actually, it has.
Would you please shut up? No, it doesn't have. It doesn't have instructions. Let's do it like this. Stop. I'll do it. So hopefully it'll be like a good gun, not like just you can shoot both of these. That's it. Did I actually open this? There. So, and it has an instruction.
I told you.
So, get that out. So, I'm going to do something first, and then I'll come back. So let's pause the video, and we'll continue.
Yeah. We'll see you later.
It's literally like a giant gun.
Yeah.
It's actually like lightweight. Wait, can I actually spin it? Yes, I can. The grip, it's actually like slim. It has like the battle camo, and it actually says like Mega over here.
Oh yeah, they put in the credit, but
It'll be better like they actually painted white like the other.
Yeah, or red, like.
They originally painted it like white, so. And it's like this. It has one tactical rail.
Yep.
And like this. And with this button, you choose. It's not like, guys, it's not like, I see that. It's, move over here. Move over here. It's not like, a smart AR. And guys, I'm back. I reload the gun, test fire it, and I'm going to bring out some of my scopes. So, got these 3. Which one will be better? Let's see. Pinpoint, I got batteries for it. Looks good actually. Let's try another one. Well, if I can actually get this out. Okay. And target scope. Okay, that just looks like it doesn't fit the color. And clear shot. Clear shot scope. A friend gave it to me, so for everything I say that the best one was this one. Oh, didn't turn it off. So the pinpoint sight actually looks good with this. So it's not like completely small AR, like, oh, you cannot switch between these two. There's like two different small ARs. So if I prime it, it'll shoot this one instead of this one, and then goes like this. It continues, and then if I put another one, it isn't like it'll only shoot like here, 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 small AR. If there's no bullet here, dart, it shoots here. So it's separate. So to switch it, you just press this, and it has like a little mini thumb port, finger port, so you can actually switch it really nice. So up Elite, down Mega, it actually goes like with the order. And I like the color scheme right here, like the red. It looks good. So I'm going to go out and I'm going to do a firing test, and I'll see you there. For now, I really recommend it. So, oh wait, before I go, the gun came from this box. So there you go, and nothing else in the box. So it retails like $24.99, $24.99, $20.99. Depends on where you get it. Let me fix this, and we'll see you at firing. So guys, now I'm at the firing, like accuracy. I don't know, but it's 23 feet. I finally calculated it. So one bad thing, I still haven't shot it, but since I'm holding the camera, so that's the problem. Since it's like this, the rail doesn't really fit unless it's like for dart attachment, dart holder, because here's you need a sight. You'll need a sight here, 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 here. So for every inch. So actually, you need to be, if you actually want accuracy, you have to be like looking to the side. So that's a problem. Using the cell phone again to use a sight. Nah, I'm just. Oh, I have Mega on. Let's shoot Mega first. Of course, by what I know. Wow, Megas pack a punch, but aren't really that accurate. Oh, that barely got it. Now time to test. Does it automatically like change? Oh no, it doesn't. It doesn't go. Like, oh, there's no ammo, so it'll change. It'll be really good if that happens. Nope. Let me get closer. Because right now it doesn't. Oh, it goes like a triangle. Done. Point blank. So guys, let's put it down here. Would I recommend this gun? If you're looking for like a double switch, I want Mega and Elite quickly switching. Not like, oh, I need to get my other gun out. Then I'll recommend it. But if it's like for practicality, it really isn't that good because you have to look every time you need to. Oh, I need to hit something from this barrel now, or this, or this. Then you have to directly look here, here, here. So a good idea for if somebody repaints this, take these 3 barrels and like reroute them. Like do like this, a triad. Only but with a mega triad. Nerf, do that please. Apart from the new tri-break. So that's the video for today. Hope you liked the video, hope you subscribe, and well, bye guys. Subscribe, Patreon link down below, and comment down below what else do you want me to do. It's Shadow here, join Shadow Sway, and bye guys. I pressed the wrong button there.